Click on the link below to get price. The system's IW25-5 on-wall dehumidifier with bipolar ionizer is a remarkable solution for those battling excess humidity in their homes or workplaces. This unit stands out due to its advanced features and impressive performance, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking to improve air quality. One of the most notable aspects of this dehumidifier is its ability to remove up to 33 pints of moisture per day, making it suitable for spaces of up to 1,500 square feet. This capacity ensures that it can handle moderate to high humidity levels effectively. The on-wall installation is a space-saving design that doesn't compromise on power. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who want to maximize floor space while still enjoying efficient moisture removal. The built-in bipolar ionizer is a game-changer in enhancing air quality. Unlike standard dehumidifiers that merely reduce humidity, this ionizer actively purifies the air by attracting and neutralizing airborne pollutants and allergens. This dual functionality not only reduces humidity but also promotes a healthier indoor environment, making it ideal for allergy sufferers or anyone concerned about indoor air quality. Noise levels are often a concern with dehumidifiers, but the IW25-5 operates quietly, allowing for uninterrupted daily activities or restful nights. Its user-friendly interface and adjustable humidity settings make it easy to customize the operation to your preference. Additionally, the unit has a built-in indicator for water collection, ensuring you'll never have to guess when it's time to empty the tank. While the initial investment may seem steep compared to standard models, the combination of efficient dehumidification and air purification justifies the price. The durability and reliability of the system's IW25-5 further enhance its value, promising years of dependable service. Overall, this dehumidifier is a stellar choice for anyone looking to tackle humidity issues effectively while improving overall indoor air quality.